Welcome to our guide on getting the best streaming deals for gamers in 2025. Streaming has become an essential part of the gaming experience, and knowing how to find the best deals can save you a lot of money. Start by researching different streaming platforms. Look for features, pricing, and game selections that match your gaming style. Don't rush this step. Taking the time to compare can yield significant savings. Consider gaming bundles that offer discounts. Many services provide deals if you subscribe to multiple platforms at once. This is a great way to maximize your content while minimizing costs. Be on the lookout for promo codes and special discounts. Websites like RetailMeNot or Honey can help you find deals that can save you a lot on your subscriptions. Timing is everything. Waiting for annual sales, like Black Friday, can lead to amazing discounts on subscriptions. Be strategic and plan your purchases. Don't forget about free trials. Many streaming platforms offer free trials to let you experience their service without commitment. Use this to your advantage. Engage with gaming communities. Forums and social media are gold mines for finding lesser-known deals and recommendations from fellow gamers. Look into family or group subscription plans. These plans can offer significant savings for multiple users, allowing everyone to enjoy their favorite games. Stay updated on the latest deals. Subscribe to newsletters and follow your favorite services on social media for real-time alerts and exclusive offers. To wrap up, maximizing your streaming experience as a gamer in 2025 is all about research, strategic planning, and community engagement. Happy gaming and deal hunting!